Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are in good health. Okay, before we're gonna study, let me introduce myself. My name is Mariyana Fitria Nurmalisa, but you can call me Lisa. I have a quote. This is a quote. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein. Okay, in this opportunity, I want to talk about absolute value inequality. Table of contents. 1. Absolute value means an absolute value symbol. 2. Absolute value inequality. 3. Less than or equal to. 4. Greater than or equal to. 1. Absolute value means an absolute value symbol. Absolute value means over a number is from 0. Look at the picture. 6 is 6 away from 0. And negative 6 is also 6 away from 0. So, the absolute value of 6 is 6, and the absolute value of negative 6 is also 6. Absolute value symbol. To show we want the absolute value, we put absolute marks either side called bars. Like this example. Absolute value negative 5 equals to 5. Absolute value 7 is equal to 7. 2. Absolute value inequality. An absolute value inequality is a problem with absolute value as well as inequality signs. We can have problems like absolute value x plus 3 greater 1. We have 4 different inequality signs to choose from. We have less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So, our absolute value inequalities can have any one of these 4 signs. The process to solve them is the same regardless of the sign, but you do have to pay attention to what type of sign it is, as you will be taking that into account when you solve, just like our regular absolute values. We cannot have our absolute value being a negative number. So a problem such as absolute value x plus 3 less 0 or less than a negative number will not be possible and cannot be solved. Absolute value inequality. Missing absolute value and inequality needs a little care. There are 4 inequalities: less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. 3. Less than or equal to. Absolute value inequality. The inequality absolute value x less 4. means that the distance between x and 0 is less than 4. Look at the picture. So, x greater negative 4 and x less 4. The solution set is x negative 4 less x less 4. When solving absolute value inequality, there are two cases to consider. Case 1, the expression inside the absolute value symbol is positive. Case 2, the expression inside the absolute value symbol is negative. The solution is the intersection of the solution of these two cases. This is greater than, less than, equal to. For example, 3 absolute value for x minus 1 less than equal to 9. So, absolute value for x minus 1 less than equal to 3. Option 1, for x minus 1 less than equal to 3, and for x minus 1 greater than equal to negative 3. And then x less than equal to 1 and x greater than equal to negative 1 divided by 2. The result is negative 1 divided by 2 and 1. Solution option 2, negative 3 less negative 3 less than equal to 4x minus 1 less than equal to 3, and at 1, negative 2 less than equal to 4x less than equal to 4 divided by 4, and the result is negative 1 divided by 2 and 1. For greater than, or equal to. Absolute value inequality. The inequality absolute value x greater 4 means that the distance between x and 0 is greater than 4. Look at the picture. So, x less negative 4 or x greater 4. The solution set is x less negative 4 or x greater 4. When solving absolute value inequalities, there are two cases to consider. Case 1, the expression inside the absolute value symbol is positive. Case 2, the expression inside the absolute value symbol is negative. For example, solve absolute value. For example, solve absolute value x greater than equal to 3 can be Examples of absolute value x greater than equal to 3 can be rewritten as x less than equal to negative 3 or x greater than equal to 3. As an interval, it can be written as negative infinity, negative 3, union 3, and infinity. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.